In this video, we'll be pairing a new key to your vehicle using this replacement car remote by Car Keys Express. This is a DIY solution. You can do this yourself at home. You don't need any special tools, and it should save you a ton of money compared to doing it at the dealership. This is a universal key, so this kit here is going to work with all of these makes and models listed on the back, which include Buick, Cadillac, Chevy, Chrysler, Dodge, Ford, GMC, Infiniti, Jaguar, Jeep, Lincoln, Mazda, Mercury, Nissan, Oldsmobile, Plymouth, Pontiac, Saturn, Suzuki, Toyota, and Volkswagen. So you can check to make sure your vehicle, your model and year is listed on the back there, but we will also be scanning this QR code or visiting that URL that you see right here to get the specific instructions for your vehicle. Depending on which one of these you have, the instructions can be quite different. I will be showing you in this video an example. I'll be doing the Buick Century 2001 to 2005, but to see your specific codes and instructions, scan that QR code or visit that link. On that page, you'll be able to enter in the make, model, and year of your vehicle, and it will let you know if this key is compatible with your vehicle, and then show you a step-by-step process with images on how to pair this key. So let's go ahead and open this up. As I mentioned, I will be showing you the correct instructions for the Buick Century 01 to 05. Inside the box, there's just the key. There's nothing else in there. We can start by activating the key. Different vehicles have different activation codes, but I will be showing you 477. We'll be entering in 3 digits using the buttons on the face of this new key fob. So first, press panic and function button 1 to begin. You can see the light will come on, and now I will enter in the 3 digits using lock, unlock, and trunk. So 477 is 4 presses of lock, 7 of unlock, and 7 of trunk. And then we can press again simultaneously panic and function 1. Now this should blink back the code, 2, 3, 4, and then a pause, and then it will blink back 7, another pause, and then 7 again. That means we're good to go. This key should be activated now. If it was blinking something other than your code, you can just keep trying this process until you get it right. Panic and function to start the activation, and then pressing the lock, unlock, and trunk for your specific 3 digits. Now we'll start the pairing process. For this, you'll need to be in your vehicle with this new key as well as your old key, the one that currently works with your car. And you want to get in, make sure all of the doors are closed, and start with the vehicle off and in park. Now, using the key that you currently use with your vehicle, you can insert it into the ignition and turn it to the on position. This is the position just before starting the engine. Do not start the engine. You can now turn the ignition to off and remove the key. Now on your driver's side door, press and hold the lock button to the unlock position and keep holding that as we move to the next step. Now, while still holding that driver's side door unlock button, you can insert and remove your key twice before inserting it once more and leaving it in the ignition. Now you can release the unlock button on your driver's side panel, and the vehicle should beep 3 times, letting you know that pairing mode is activated. Now with this new key, we're going to press lock and unlock together and hold for up to 30 seconds until the vehicle beeps twice, verifying that this key has been paired. So you'll just press lock and unlock, and you'll keep holding until you hear that beeping sound. You can now do this very same step with holding these 2 buttons for 30 seconds for any other new keys that you have with you that you have already activated. You can finally just remove the key from the ignition to exit pairing mode. And with that, you are finished. If you had some problems during the pairing process, or you're unable to pair this key to your vehicle, check over here on the box. You can see there is that customer service number. You can call them toll free at any time and they will help you out with any errors you're having. And you can also get this information over on the website. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful and have a great day.